Bird feeding time. Look how beautiful they are. There's some squirrels, so look at a little squirrel back there. All different types of nuts and seeds. I didn't put any fruit out. I forgot to put the fruit in my bag. But if I come out later, I'll bring some fruit for them. If I come this way later, I might not walk this far later. I don't know. This little squirrel's back there, and he is bearing some of his little nuts and treats. So I also put some Cheerios down for them. I read somewhere that they like Cheerios, and they really do. There's my Mimi back there.